Good morning, dear students. So, we have been doing the chapter, the third level, and two parts of it we have covered, and last two pages are left. So, today we'll start with it. So, my dear students, what have you done till now? It's all about Charlie's imagination. He was thinking of the third level at Grand Central Railway Station, which was not in real. It was just his imagination. And why he was thinking so? Because he was very, worried from the worries, tensions, wars going on in the modern time, and he wanted to make an escape and or a refuse from the reality. He wanted to go back where? To Galesburg, Illinois. That was the name of the place where he wanted to go back in the times of his grandparents. He had come over there, and at the ticket counter he saw everything of 18th or the 19th century's times. Right? He wanted to get a ticket to Galesburg, Illinois, and over there, when he gave the money, it was not the same as the times of 18th or 19th. So, the ticket counter person, the enquiry booths person, he scolded him that you are just, befooling me by giving this kind of money. So he threatens him to send him to jail. So he escaped from there and rushed back to his home. So now, from this page, page number 4, we are going to start. But I have never again found the corridor that leads to the third level at Grand Central Station. So he went back to his home, and when he came over here again after, you know, after coming back, or you can say when he was coming to go to his office, so he couldn't find that third level again. Although I have tried often enough, he tried for it again and again to go to that third level, but he couldn't find it because it was not real. Louisa was pretty worried when I told her all this. Who was Louisa? Louisa was his wife. So she was pretty worried when I stands for this narrator, when he told her all this and didn't want me to look for the third level anymore. She didn't want me to look for this third level. And after a while, I stopped. I went back to my stems. So, what is hair stamps? Stamps means his hobby. When he couldn't find it, so he went back to his own work which he used to do. So he started collecting the stamps, which was his hobby. But now we are both looking every weekend because now we have proof that the third level is still there. My friend Sam Weiner disappeared. So please underline it. My friend Sam. This is the name of that friend who was the psychiatrist to whom he had disclosed that there is third level. So that has disappeared. He was not there. Nobody knew where, but I sort of suspected because Sam's a city boy and I used to tell him about Galesburg. Sam was the only person to whom he had disclosed all his things, and he had told him about Galesburg. I want to skill there, but he always said he liked the sound of the place, and that's where he is all right in 1894. So I went to school there. School means it is he is going back to his childhood time, right? And he used to tell all the things to his friend, or and now he said that I like that place because that place has a very good sound, means it is full of peace. Okay, so because one night fusing with my stamp collection I found, well, do you know what a first day cover is? So one day while he was doing his stamp collection, and he found that it was a first day cover. Right, when a new stamp is issued, what do they do when a new stamp is issued? So the stamp collector who is in a habit of collecting these stamps, he is known as philatelist. Philatelist. Philatelist means a person who has a habit of collecting stamps. So what do? They put the stamp on some envelope. Sometimes the envelope is having nothing, or sometimes it is having some paper. So they used to put the stamp on it. As soon as it is released, जैसे ये इशू होती है तो इसको स्टैम्प को एक एनवेलप पर लगा देते हैं और उसे मेल कर देते हैं अपने ही एड्रेस पर, सो दैट इट कैन बी प्रोक्योर्ड, इट कैन बी सेव्ड। बिकॉज छोटी सी स्टैम्प होती है, कैसे संभले? ये तरीके से क्या होगा कि द पोस्टमैन विल पुट द स्टैम्प, through that he would get the date also, on which date it was issued. So in this manner saved he saved the stamps. So when a new stamp is issued, stamp collectors buy and use them to mail envelopes to themselves on the very first day of sale, and the postmark proves the date, as I mentioned you here. So the postmark proves the date, and it is mailed to the person who is putting that stamp. The envelope is called a first day cover. It is a first day cover, means on the very first day he had mailed it. So they are never opened. Sometimes they never open it because they know that nothing is there inside the envelope. You just put blank paper in the envelope. That night, among my oldest first day covers, I found one that shouldn't have been there. So he picked out those stamps, and he was just finding out on which date it was issued and all. He was just recollecting all those things. So he found one envelope, but there it was. It was there because someone had mailed it to my grandfather. So it was one envelope on which Galesburg's address was mentioned, and his home in Galesburg. That's what the address on the envelope said, and it had been there since July 18, 1894. The postmark showed that it was the time of 18 July 1894. आप सभी ने देखा होगा कि स्टैम्प के ऊपर एक डेट होती है जिस दिन वो वहाँ पर पोस्ट ऑफिस में आया, एंड दे disperse those mails. Okay, so it was mailed to grandfather, and the address was of Galesburg, and the date was July 18, 1894. Yet I didn't remember it at all. The stamp was a 6-cent dull brown with a picture of President Garfield. You must have seen it that there are pictures on the stamps, the renowned person's pictures. So it was having President James Garfield. James Garfield, he was the 20th president of America. Okay, so it was having that picture. Naturally, when the envelope came to granddad in the mail, it went right into his collection and stayed there. So same was the habit of his grandfather. He used to keep the envelopes, right, and sending it to his himself, and taking it or saving it at some place as a collection. Till I know it out and opened it. So he opened it, and the paper inside wasn't blank. This time it was not blank, right? What was there? It read, there was address 941 Willard Street, Galesburg, Illinois, July 18, 1894. Charlie, I got to wishing that you were right. Then I got to believing you were right. And Charlie, it's true, I found the third level. See, it was returned to Charlie and it was written that he had found the third level. I have been here 2 weeks, and right now, down the street at the Dailies, someone is playing a piano. So he has written over there that 2 weeks have gone when he was here. 2 हफ्ते हो गए उसे और वो यहाँ रह रहा है. And right now, down the street at the Dailies. Dailies means newspaper वो collect करने के लिए जा रहा है अपना street में. Right, someone is playing a piano and they are all out on the front porch singing Seeing Nally Home, and I am invited over for lemonade. Lemonade, नींबू पानी, right? So बड़ा अच्छा सा environment है. He was going to take the newspaper and everyone, and they were just singing carols, and they were singing Seeing Nally Home, and he was also invited over there for taking that lemonade. Come on back, Charlie and Louisa. And he was inviting them. Come on, Charlie, you and Louisa, come over here. Keep looking till you find the third level. It's worth it, believe me. Please keep on looking for that third level. Right? And it is real, it is there. So, this letter was written to Charlie, right? And it was mailed at the address of his grandfather. Galesburg's address was mentioned over there. And this was the letter which was sent to him. See, the note is signed by Sam, and it was signed by Sam, his friend, the psychiatrist friend, to whom he had disclosed each and everything, and he was not found in the city. वो सिटी में कहीं दिख नहीं रहा था कई दिनों से. और वो क्या लिख रहा है, वो लेटर लिख रहा है कि मैं अब गेल्सबर्ग से एड्रेस से भेज रहा हूँ कि मैं यहाँ पहुँच गया और तुम भी वापस आ जाओ. What is this? This is all his own imagination. And later on, we'll come to know that who had written this letter. At the stamp and coin store, I got two. I found out Sam bought $800. $800 worth of old style currency that ought to set him up in a nice little hay feed and grain business. He always said that's what he really wished he could do. So at the stamp and coin store I went over there and found out that Sam bought $800. I found that he had bought $800 worth of old style currency. Means he had exchanged his new currency, his $800 to the old currency. Right? He had exchanged. We can exchange the money if we want to go to abroad. So over there, if pesos are in some fashion, or that is the currency, so we have to exchange our rupees to the pesos, right? So same way he had exchanged it because he had to go to the third level or to the Galesburg in the older times. That ought to set him up in a nice little hay. और इसमें उसको कुछ थोड़ी सी परेशानी भी हुई बिकॉज उसमें उसके करेंसी का चेंज करने में समथिंग वेंट रॉन्ग. फीड एंड ग्रेन बिजनेस, और उसका सारा बिजनेस भी उसने उसमें एवरीथिंग वेंट इनटू डार्क टाइम्स. मीन्स सब कुछ ख़त्म हो गया. जो उसका वो फीडिंग का और ग्रेन बिजनेस था वो भी उसने ख़त्म कर दिया और सब कुछ एक्सचेंज कर लिया थ्रू द old style currency. He always said that's what he really wished he could do, and he certainly can't go back to his old business. अब उसने इतना सारा चेंज कर लिया तो अब वो वापस अपने उस ओल्ड बिजनेस में भी नहीं जा सकता. नॉट इन गेल्सबर्ग इलिनॉइस इन 1894, his old business. Why Sam was my psychiatrist. So here is mentioning who is Sam. Sam was this person, his friend psychiatrist. So the author, this is what we have in this chapter. So the author has put some question in our mind. Is it possible that Sam has written this letter to him, right? That is still a question to us. And same way, who is this Sam? Although he has mentioned that he was his psychiatrist friend, but was he real? As everything was not going on real. So that's what we have, my dear. In this chapter, everything is the imagination of Charlie. This friend Sam, that is also imaginative, as well as this letter. This letter was also written by Charlie himself to make a proof, to give a proof to Lisa that there is still a third level. You don't think that I am saying wrong, right? To give some witness in the name of Sam. But all these things show the time and space, intersection of time and space. Modern time to 1894 times has been shown in this story, but all these things are the creation of Charlie, right? These are just hallucination, भ्रम है, ठीक है, illusions है of his mind, because he wanted to rush out of this modern times worries to the older times, which was full of peace and all. Right? Thank you. So let's do our questionnaires.